Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for this video because I'm going to be reviewing the first ever cordless high frequency facial wand. You heard that right, you guys, cordless. It's from a brand called ProfacialWand. I'm going to be reviewing this range. I want to give you guys a very detailed how to use demo, and then I'm also going to discuss what it helps because there's so many benefits to using high frequency on your skin. A little bit of background info. This is a 3-in-1 multifunctional beauty device. It can be used on the face, the body, the hair. You guys will see exactly what I'm talking about when I say it can literally be used everywhere. It's definitely multifunction for sure. You have a range of different glass electrodes, ranging in different sizes. They all have different functions and they all target different skincare concerns. So whether that be acne, blemishes, wrinkles, fine lines, this is basically what this tool will do. So high frequency basically oxygenates the surface of the skin and kills acne causing bacteria. So some people actually go to the spa to do this type of treatment. However, you can do it from home now. So I have been trialing this out for a few weeks now, and as you guys can see, my skin has literally never been better. So I'm going to show you guys how you can also achieve smooth skin. So this is the box, this is their packaging. I want to show you guys exactly what you will get when you purchase this product. So very easy to open. So this comes with an instruction manual, which is so helpful for those that have never tried this before. Like for me, it was my first time. I didn't know how to use this, but it was so simple. The instruction manual was like my best friend when it came to this whole entire process. So everything is simplified for you, so it makes it so easy to learn how to do this pretty quickly. You've got some safety precautions here. You've got the product details here as well. You've got how to charge it, and you've got how to set it up as well. I love the fact that they have pictures on here because I'm such a visual learner, so this was like so easy to follow. Okay guys, so this is everything that's included in the box. So firstly, this is your ProfacialWand. This is what it looks like. It's so easy to use. This is actually the trigger button that will turn on the device. So this is where the magnetic charging port is. So this is where you will charge your device. Also, this is basically the dial that will set your frequency. So clockwise to turn it on, anti-clockwise to turn it off. And this is basically where you would insert the glass electrode attachments. So the first one here is the 90-degree tube. This one is actually fantastic. So this is the most intense one because as you can see with the tip there, it pinpoints exactly what you want to target. So this one is great for acne and pimples. So this one is fantastic for that. And this one is the comb tube. So as you guys can see, it's literally in the shape of a comb. So again, so easy to use. So this one right here is the mushroom tube. So as you guys can see, you've got a flat surface, so therefore you get a wider dispersal. This one is really, really great. And then I'm just showing you guys as well the USB charging wire here. So it connects so easily to the device, and it's just easy to charge. So in the second box are 3 extra glass electrode attachments. So these attachments, as you guys can see, are all different shapes and have different functions. So the first one right here, this is the Y-shaped tube. This tube is absolutely fantastic. As you guys can see, it's in the shape that will fit perfectly under the neck. So you'll know that it's to lift and firm the necklines, and you guys will see me demonstrate how to do that. This one is the spoon tube. This is fantastic for those, you know, under eye bags. I absolutely love this one. And then you've got the probe tube, this one right here. So this one is more for relaxing your muscles and so many other functions as well that I will demonstrate. Okay, so guys, this device is so easy to use, but if you're unsure, just make sure to look over into the manual. Okay, so firstly, you want to take out your ProfacialWand and then select the glass rod that you want to use based on your skincare concern. So firstly, I was using the mushroom rod here, and then you want to click it into place just as so. This part is so easy. And then the dial at the bottom is to set your intensity level. So set your intensity level, and then you want to turn the trigger button, which should start the device. Okay, so now that you guys have seen what the box comes with and the functions and how this works and stuff like that, I'm going to show you guys how I use it on my skin. So this attachment here is what we call the mushroom head. Now this one is so good for wrinkles and basically just stimulating collagen. This one is absolutely fantastic. The reason why this one works fantastic for wrinkles, you guys, and boosting collagen is because it uses red light frequency. Red light frequency is so good for boosting collagen. That's what basically minimizes those wrinkles and makes your skin nice and tight and youthful looking. So just like I showed you guys, just clip it into place, turn the dial a little bit, and then press the button, and then that's it. It's good to go. So this is what it looks like on the highest frequency. I like to dial it down a little bit, just because that's what works for me. So one of my favorite ones is this 90-degree glass tube. Reason being is it's so fantastic for acne. You guys, this one targets the acne spot right away. So say if I had a pimple here, I'd place it on here, target this area, and zap, boom, gone. Like, it works so well at getting rid of that acne spot. So like for me, when I'm stressed out, I get breakouts, so this basically helps me keep those in control. So right now I've got these little pimples here that are quite painful, so I know that they're active still. And what I would do basically is dial it to my desired frequency, turn it on, and then go onto the pimples. I also get the smallest bumps on my forehead. That might be due to my shampoos, I'm not too sure. You don't want to be on the same spot for longer than 10 seconds, you guys. So make sure you're just doing it for 10 seconds at a time per spot. So that's literally how you use the 90-degree one. It is literally one of my favorites. Like I mentioned, you guys, by tomorrow these will literally be flat. Like, it's so good and it works so well. So that's why I say this is one of my favorites. So now you've also got this comb shaped glass tube. So this one's basically for stimulating your hair follicles, strengthening your hair roots, overall promoting hair growth and a healthy scalp, which is absolutely amazing. So for me, I'm currently wearing a wig right now. You would do this along your hair, along the root of your hair, and just do this for 10 seconds on each strand basically, and this will work wonders for you. Like I said, stimulating your hair follicles equals hair growth, and who does not want long hair? This one is the Y tube. As you can see, it's kind of like in the shape of a Y. So this one is to lift and firm. So it's basically to smooth those necklines. I'll turn this on as normal, set my frequency, and then literally place it under my neck. Over time it will smooth out the necklines. So yeah, this works really well, and it's just like perfectly shaped as well, so it just fits nicely into the neckline. So this one again is one of my favorites. Now the reason being is I do struggle a lot with dark circles and under eye puffiness. In the morning my eyes are so puffy, you guys. Now like my dark circles have gotten a lot lighter, and I honestly say it's thanks to this, because I have been using this for a few weeks now. So I have noticed a difference in the puffiness and the dark circles. It's way less, and my dark circles are a lot lighter. Set your frequency, turn it on, and then apply it under your eye. So as you guys saw there, I was kind of like placing it on the sides of my nose just because it does smooth out any kind of like nasolabial folds. So if you do struggle with that, this will basically smooth that out. So it's very multi-purpose, you guys. Now lastly, this one is the probe tube. So this one has so many functions, but the main function is to massage the body and promote blood circulation. So you can use this on your legs. I like to run it along the back of my legs. It's really, really nice. Anywhere basically to relax your muscles, this one is what it's for. So this one is really, really nice. Of course, if you're promoting blood circulation, that is really, really good for your body, and it's great for your muscles as well. So some really cool things about this wand is it says antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, so it's such a good combination. It gets rid of the blemishes, it shrinks the inflammation as well. So you guys, listen up for the best offer. With Valentine's Day around the corner, you can get one of these for $89 per piece, and that's gone down from $158 per piece. So this would make such a nice Valentine's Day gift. So you guys, don't miss out. So everything will be in my bio if you want to purchase this. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do hope you do try out this product. It's really, really good. It's really fantastic, and it's so affordable in my opinion. So guys, yeah, don't miss out.